2, 3. Hey y'all, it's Betsy. Today I figured we would do something a little bit different. This isn't makeup or weight loss related, but I figured this is fun. I purchased from Ulta the red carpet dip starter set, which is a nail dipping powder. For a long time I've went to the nail salon and had my nails dipped. It normally runs about $25 to $30 a time to go get it done, and they have this set on ulta.com for $34.99, and I figured, hey, what the heck, I'm kind of crafty, so I can see if I can do this at home. Now when you get your kit in, it comes with your top coat, your base coat, your activator, and a brush softener. It also comes with extra brush heads because these will get gross, a nail file, the instructions, foil sheets for when you go to remove your nails, lint-free cloths, and the cuticle pusher. I'm not sure if that's what it's actually called. And it comes with one of their colors, which it comes with the Contract Please, which is just like a baby light pink. It is what I have mainly on most of my nails. But I've had this on my hands now for a week. So far so good. It is holding up really well. And the instructions are very clear. I mean, you start off, you push your cuticles back, you buff your nails, you use your base coat, which honestly smells like, which it's kind of a pain in the honey to get off. I do see why they have the nail softener. It is pretty much like your typical nail glue. And this does come off easy, so that can be a pain in the hiney to get it out. But it's just like a super glue smelling, or your typical nail glue. Let's see. But that's what you use to brush onto your nails to get the dip powder to adhere. So as you can see, once you get it on there, it's just like a clear glue. So you do 2 coats, you brush this on, dip, brush it on again, dip again. Then you take and brush on the activator, which kind of smells like just your typical nail polish remover. You take and buff it down, which make sure whenever you're doing a nail dip kit to get around the edges really well. That's where it will start to lift if you do not have them buffed well. Then you take and use the activator again, wipe it off, and then it says to use the top coat. I tried the top coat. I do not like the top coat. The top coat is pretty much just the same nail glue again, as you can see. So what I did is just used a glitter top coat on the pink because it seemed a little basic to me. And then I just like a regular, this is my SC Clear top coat on these gold nails, because I had also purchased the shade Dream Girl Gold, which I think these are $10 for the extra colors, but you can kind of see what the powder looks like. It has like the acrylic powder, but I mean, I'm not sure if you can see that well, but they look pretty good. And my hands are rough. I mean, we've been working on the building, so my nails don't look bad, but my hands look rough. They're still healing from all of the fun stuff. But as I said, for the price of it, it's pretty much just a little bit more than going to get the dip done at your local salon, and it works out well. And if you're interested in seeing a tutorial on this, just please let me know down in the comments below. But I thought it was something fun that y'all might want to know a little bit more about. Other than that, don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I also have my second channel, which is just my crafting channel, which is Cuttin Corners Vinyl. Other than that, I guess that's it for today. So thanks, and y'all have a great day.